What if I told you that I handed a $10,000 trading account over to an AI, not just to analyze stocks, but to actually build its own strategy, run its own backtest, and execute trades automatically? And I did that for 30 days straight. No manual entries, no emotional decisions, just Claude Code, TradingView, and money on the line. So a couple of days ago, I made a video where I gave Claude Code those $10,000 and let it build its own trading strategy from scratch. And that video honestly blew up, and you guys went crazy for it. But a lot of you guys in the comment sections said the same thing. It was a cool demo, but does it actually make money over time? So I took it seriously. I set up the account and I gave Claude Code the rules and let it run. So here's exactly what I started with: a $10,000 account. The strategy that Claude built was based on price action setups. Specifically, it was looking for momentum breakouts on the 15-minute chart with an RSI filter and a trailing stop to protect the profits. I then told Claude one single rule: manage the risk at no more than 1.5% of the account per trade. Simple as that. Everything else, like the entries, the exits, and the position sizing, was completely on the bot. Now, before I walk you through the month, I want to show you something that I think most people miss when they're building AI trading bots, because the strategy is only half the equation. The real magic behind it is in how you prompt Claude to think like a risk manager, not just a trade finder, and I'll break that down in a second. So if we look here, week number 1, we had a starting balance of $10,000, and this is going to be the week by week breakdown. And out of the gate, it was honestly impressive. Claude's strategy caught 3 clean breakouts in the first week. On the SPY, has a really clean trend day on Tuesday, and the bot caught it early, and that was a $340 winner. It also had 2 smaller trades that closed slightly positive. And at the end of the week, we were up around $490, or about 4.9% on the account. Now, something I noticed is that Claude built a time filter. It wouldn't trade in the first 15 minutes of market open, which is actually something a lot of experienced traders do manually. And the fact that it was able to think about that was a good sign. Now, on week 2, there was a very deep surprise, and it was CPI data that was released midweek. The market whipped both directions, and honestly, the bot got stopped out twice in a row, and what looked like a legit breakout setup just reversed instantly on the macro news. Now, those 2 losses brought the account down to 10,210 from a high of 10,600, which was a drawdown around $390 in 2 days. But I'll be honest, I did want to step in and I wanted to turn it off, but I didn't, because that's the whole point of the experiment. You have to trust the system, especially through the losing periods. For the end of the week, we still remained positive, but it did humble us. Now, week 3 was the best week of the entire month. The market went into a clear trending phase, exactly the environment this strategy was built for, and Claude's bot fired on all cylinders. 5 trades and 4 winners. The biggest was a momentum play that ran almost 2% in 40 minutes. The bot held it with a trailing stop and captured most of the move, and it was a $480 gain in a single trade. Now, for the end of the week 3, we were up around 11.8% in 3 weeks. Keep in mind that the overall return of the market every year is 10%. So we're beating the market on this month. Now, on week 4, the final stretch, we saw that the market decided to test us one more time. And we had a Fed announcement mid-month and some sector rotation out of tech, and the bot hit a 3 trading losing streak. Now, here's what saved the account: that 1.5 risk rule, because even 3 consecutive losses only took the account down around $450 from the peak, and the position sizing did exactly what it was supposed to do. It kept the losses small enough that one good trade could erase all of them, and that's exactly what happened. On the last 2 trading days of the month, the strategy caught a clean breakout on triple Q and a momentum break on the mid-cap stock. And that's how we finished. So the final balance after 30 days was $11,047, a 10% return in just 30 days on a $10,000 account, fully automated by Claude Code with 0 manual trades from me. Now, I'm not here to tell you that this is guaranteed money, and I'm not a financial advisor, and that past performance doesn't predict future results. Now, I actually want to keep this running, and I'm thinking of doing a 90-day version with a backtest and an upgraded strategy that Claude Code and I are building right now. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification because I'm not going to announce it on any other platform. Also, if you want to see the exact prompt I used to get Claude to build a strategy, including the risk management rules and the PineScript code, feel free to join our Patreon. Simple, $15 a month, 7-day free trial. But apart from that, don't let the markets whip you guys out. I'll see you guys in the next video.